जसमीत जी, आपने बताया कि आपने ब्रेक्स लिए, आप ब्रेक पे थे, 10 साल का। ये काफी लंबा टाइम टाइम होता है,
Yeah.
बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं, बट देर आर टाइम्स व्हेन वी फील दैट आई विश आई कुड do something else
Yes.
also, because there
Yes.
are times when we have that kind of skill set that हम लोग अपने आप को अपने एक्सप्रेशंस को बाहर नहीं ला
बिल्कुल
पाते,
बिल्कुल.
क्रिएटिविटी रुक जाती है।
Yes.
एंड ऑल्सो मैं जनरली मेरे जो क्लाइंट्स हैं, मैं आजकल यही डील कर रही हूँ, तो फ्रस्ट्रेशन और एंगर बढ़
Yes.
जाता है। आई थिंक इन बच्चों पे भी बहुत इफेक्ट करता है ये।
Yes. Definitely.
So how have you balanced your relationships while growing, while your kids were growing up, and you took that break, conscious break,
Break. Yes. That was
as
a
a
conscious
mother?
break.
Yeah,
Yes.
as a mother.
Yeah. Lovely question, Madhulika. This question is very close to my heart. Madhulika, it was a conscious decision for me always. जो पहले 10 साल का मेरा ब्रेक था वो मेरे बच्चों के लिए था. My family demanded. I had both my kids in the first 6 to 7 years of my life after marriage. So that was a conscious break. Now after that, when I started with an IELTS trainer after a gap of 10 years after my marriage, now that was something which I really wanted to do, because at that age I was again young, as you rightly said. When you are young, your demands are different. Your thinking is different. Your perspective is different. You actually want to compete with the world, right? So at that point of level, I thought that no, my kids are going to school now. Now I should do something. So by the time they were in their 4th and 5th standard, the elder one, and the younger one was on the 1st and 2nd standard, I started with my IELTS trainer. Now I did for 5 years. Then I realized, no, again my kids need me. So because their coachings were there, their tuitions were there, they were hardworking, but I was not there. So that guilt was there. Then I again gave it a break for 10 years. But both the breaks, मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि मुझे regret नहीं है आज. वो रिग्रेट इसलिए नहीं है बिकॉज जो कॉम्प्रोमाइजेस शायद मैंने अपनी लाइफ में किए अपने बच्चों के लिए, अपनी फैमिली के लिए, they are actually showing fruits to me in some form of the other. I have the most humble of the boys, best, they are well settled in their life, they are the most respectful human beings I've ever come across. So those fruits, those things we have to understand that yes, whatever sacrifices or compromises a woman make in their life in some form of the other always pays it later. Now coming at this age, now just a year ago I started with my skincare range. Though I was making it since years, 25-30 years, for I'm making it, बट मैंने कभी भी उसको कमर्शियल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से नहीं सोचा. बट ऑफ लेटली अब जब मेरे बच्चे बड़े हो गए, they started working, they have their own lives, my husband is working, so I'm alone at home whole day. So just a year ago, someone gave me an idea that you have such beautiful products, they have potential, why don't you think it commercially? So that is where the tinkle came in my mind that yes, Jasmeet, अब वो टाइम है आपके पास, because now you are free. Everyone has their own life path to follow. My kids are on their life path. My husband is working already. So I am left alone. So later on, when these people will get married, probably I'll be more alone all the time. So I think every stage has a different requirement, and then you have to adjust accordingly.
Okay.
So now I started just because I have ample time, number one. Though it's tough for me because I'm not a marketing person, I'm not a business person, but I'm learning. Yes.
So, Jasmeet ji, your products, these ingredients that you use, what kinds of ingredients are there? And हमें उसकी केयर करने की क्या जरूरत पड़ती है? How does it make you glow and make your skin heal?
Yes. Madhulika, the ingredients we are using in our products, two ingredients I vouch on. I really believe on those two ingredients, which is almost there in all my products. That is the homegrown organic aloe vera gel. It is not the market gel at all. And number second, I really trust this ingredient, that is the rice. I have used rice as a base in almost all my products in some form of the other. And उसके साथ few plant ingredients are there, few seeds are there, And yes, we have used lot many different types of organic cold pressed oils because they work wonders for SPF,
Okay.
for the tanning,
Okay.
and essential oils as well. Our products do not have any kind of, artificial fragrance
Mm-hmm.
or artificial color. You will not see my products to be very colorful or, with lot of fragrance. Whatever fragrance you get is a natural fragrance of the natural ingredients. At times, I use few drops of essential oils to make little, mild fragrance in that.
Mm-hmm.
That is all about my products. And yes, why we have to keep it in the refrigerator? As I've told you, we are using all plant-based ingredients. Let it be seeds,
Mm.
plants, or oils, or essential oils. So no preservatives are there as such in the form of a chemical. So we actually tell you to keep it in the refrigerator always. So that is the reason.
Okay. So, where did you learn to make these products that you're now selling?
It's my baby. This has been growing with me since years. As I already discussed,
हाँ.
हमारे कॉलेज के टाइम पे स्कूल तक तो हमें कुछ बिकॉज माय फादर वाज इन एयरफोर्स
Hmm.
so he took early retirement and then joined insurance company, but the background is that Fauji.
Service, हाँ.
So they have that strictness in their lifestyle and everything. So I was हमको लगता था कि नहीं, पापा ने बोल दिया कि बाहर का कुछ नहीं लगाना तो नहीं लगाना. So the only option we had at that time was keep on mixing something from the kitchen, use it, get that glow.
Yeah.
So in my college, since my college days, I started this thing, I used to see few products, few things, mix it, apply it on my face, see the results for few days. So that is when I decided, no, it is working. It is actually works for us. So since then, I got addicted so much to my home products, made products, that R&D is still going on since that time.
Wow.
So it is always whenever I come up with something new, with the product launch or something, I try it on myself. I make it first for myself. I try it for a month on myself first and see the results, whether it's very effective, less effective, or how it's going. Then I come up with the product in the market. So that is never learning from anywhere. Again, as I said, it is my passion and it is my baby.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So inspiring.
Yes.
So, Jasmeet ji, as a women entrepreneur, as a mother, you've been through so much. You have a great life experience. How do you find that the younger generation, uh, as entrepreneurs or
Yeah.
as mothers, how are they dealing with their life choices?
मतलिका, जो हमारी यंगर जनरेशन है आज,
Hmm.
they are more confident than what we were in our times. They are more educated. They are more skilled. So all these things, मुझे लगता है कि इन सब चीज़ों के साथ साथ उनके पास choices भी ज़्यादा हो जाती हैं. So when you have more choices with you, you have more freedom. So when you have more freedom, you definitely have more empowerment.
Yeah.
So when you have more empowerment, you are free to lead your life, right? So that freedom and choice is there. Definitely it is healthy. मुझे लगता है कि freedom और choice healthy है आज की generation के लिए, young generation के लिए. But I guess जब बहुत सारी freedom और choices हो जाती है मधुलिका, उसके साथ lack of contentment भी आती है.
हाँ, मैं भी यही सोच रही थी.
Yes. So lack of contentment जरूर आती है क्योंकि जब बहुत freedom and choices होती हैं, you tend to be more competitive. So when you tend to be competitive, you want everything from everywhere. The lack of contentment is there. तो जब वो lack of contentment रहती है मधुलिका, तो मुझे लगता है that leads to frustration, anxiety, depression, relationship failures. Relationship failures not in the terms of always spouse के साथ. At times relationship failures with children, parents, in-laws, not always with the spouse. So I think the lack of contentment is there in the young generation today because of lot of freedom and choices. अगर उन freedom और choices को आप accurately use करोगे, तो definitely you will have best of the young generation these days. And second is that responsibilities. The young generation is running from the responsibilities because again it is all interlinked, you know. Lot of choices, lot of freedom, lack of contentment. So that is, you know, we lack of responsibilities also because they want to pile up things, put on some other person, you know, to complete their task. So I guess whatever the young generation is doing today is absolutely fine. I'm very happy. I have 2 boys who are working, but I always teach them to be happy, and contentment should be there in their life. Happiness and contentment बहुत जरूरी है, and responsibilities to your towards your family should be your priority than your work. Work, I think you can do it at any stage of your life, you know, but you cannot get that childhood of your child back.
Yeah.
You cannot get that initial years of marriage with your spouse back.
Yes.
So there again, as I said, कि हर एक phase of life का अलग अलग मजा है, importance है. So initially, definitely you should give time to your family, your kids. ये नहीं मैं कह रही कि आप काम ही मत करो, करो, but you have to balance it, you know.
That's true.
At my age, when I have done all my responsibilities wonderfully, now I can say yes, I can sit back and let kids lead their life, and now it's my time.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I think the only thing I want to tell the young generation is to be content and accept responsibilities. That is lacking nowadays.
नहीं आपने बहुत अच्छा बोला, because I also feel the same, that if we have a lot of choices, we also tend to get confused.
Yes.
This what to do, how
Yes.
I mean, simple things like, you know, you've got so many clothes and you're confused of what to wear.
That's greed, no? That when you are not content, you tend to be greedy in different terms, not only in one term,
Not
you know.
just money wise,
So
but otherwise.
when you try to possess so many things together, तो जब नहीं होता है, तो that is the frustration. That is when people come to you.
No, absolutely.
Yes.
As a mother also, I realized that you know, this is my time.
Yeah.
This is a time when I can spend with my baby. He's not going to be of this tiny size later.
Absolutely.
And I really wanted to enjoy that. So I gave that time.
And Madhulika, ये आपको समझ आ रहा है because you are into this profession. I'm really very happy that you're understanding this at this age. But when I was at your age, I never used to think that way. My perspective was that यार मुझे घर पे ही रहना पड़ रहा है, रहूंगी, लेकिन क्यों रहना पड़ रहा है? So that shift of change of mind is very, very important.
Actually, absolutely. A lot of people, a lot of my friends also are dealing with the same thing. They don't want to have kids because they don't want to take a break.
Yeah.
I told them, Manika, you want kids later or now, you would want a break and you will have to have a break.
Yes.
So do it right now.
Again, वो बात वही आ जाती है, freedom. They do not want to have it right now because their freedom is hindered.
Yeah.
So बात हमेशा घूम फिर के choices and freedom पे आती है. So that we have to balance, you know, very nicely.
I do respect everyone's choice. That's their choice. That's their life, because ultimately they have to take care of everything. But yes, I think embracing what's, you know, unfolding in your life
absolutely
is the joy.
Yes.
That's the content we all want.
And if you will not embrace each phase of your life happily, you'll not be happy ever. That is what I believe.
Yeah, we'll keep on questioning, you know, why is this happening? Why?
Yes.
And we're always questioning the universe and sending out signals like why?
I'll share a little thing here, Madhulika, that, you know, if you think that why I came into this business a year ago, to be very honest, not because of money. I'll share this with you today, you know. मतलब मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता कि मेरे को पैसा चाहिए इसलिए शायद मैं इस बिजनेस में आई हूँ. But my perspective was that, you know, people are liking my products. So I want to bring that revolution. So I was very happy and content with my life in my small little ways. Till date also. अगर आज भी आप मुझे बोलोगे कि Jay's Organic बंद कर दो, I'll be very happy. Because I've reached that level where I am very happy and contentment life है मेरी. I do not need anything. It's just that I'm able to make difference in people's skin. I'm here. That is making me more happy.
That's giving you that joy.
Yes. So when you have that feeling of contentment in any person, let it be young generation or us, that is where you have learned to live your life.
I can relate to that because when I finish a coaching session with someone, the kind of happiness I get by the clarity the other person gets,
Yes.
that's the value I'm also getting, and the other person also.
And you feel so blessed.
Absolutely. So it's blissful that time.
Yes.
That state of mind is like, meditative state where you're very calm,
Yes.
composed, and content with everything in happening in your life.
And you feel blessed when you're able to change someone's life in such a positive way.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So I really appreciate your profession, your work also, just because of this reason that we are transforming lives.
Transforming lives in every way. Yeah.
Yeah. We are transforming lives. Let it be you, me.
Yeah.
So that is transforming lives.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Finally, let's conclude our podcast with
Yeah.
the final question, Jasmeet ji. Any advice that you have for women out there, our viewers, for a glowing skin, for how to manage themselves in their lives?
Yeah, definitely. सबसे पहले तो मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगी that every woman should give that me time. I understand every phase of life definitely has some responsibilities where you do not, get time to give time to yourself. But at least half an hour in some form of other to just yourself, let it be in the skin routine, let it be meditation, let it be any kind of prayers you do, whatever you do, you like to do, gardening. So you should give that me time to yourself and try to be happy and happy with your life the way your life is. Because मेरा मानना है कि दुखी तो पूरी दुनिया है, but how you take your life happily shows on your skin as well. Some people are very happy, they have got best of the things, but still they are unhappy. So that shows on your skin. So whenever you are internally happy, that shows on your skin. Otherwise, I'm always there. Jay's Organic. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you, Jasmeet ji.
Thank you.
Lovely. So let's end our podcast with this beautiful, beautiful woman here. And thank you for watching this. Namaste. Till the next episode.
Thank
Bye.
you. Dil se. Bye.